sis.
Hi.
Hi, Hi, guys. Yes, I am back. Wow. Welcome to another vlog. It's been a long time since na yung last vlog namin. I think yung last vlog namin is ano ni Troy, yung kanyang football last game niya. So I think yun yung last vlog namin. Hindi rin ako nag-vlog nung aking birthday. To be honest, yung natapos yung football season, as in I just wanted to rest, you know, like alam nyo naman, since nag-start yung football, it's like you know, alam nyo, lagi tayong umaalis, you know, we're always on the go. Sa practice, 3 times a week ang practice, tapos Saturday or Sunday meron tayong game, ang layo-layo pa ng pinupuntahan natin. So like I feel like I just wanted to rest, and like talagang rest lang talaga. Kaya sabi ko sa sarili ko, I need a rest para mag recharge, kasi syempre yung pag-vlogging is not easy actually. Like hindi siya easy kasi you have to vlog and then you have to edit. Like it's take a lot of time. Kaya sabi ko, I just need a rest. And sobrang tagal ko din talagang hindi nag-vlog talaga. Nag-vlog ako ng isang araw kasi I was gonna decorate for Christmas. That was before nung Thanksgiving. So hindi rin ako nag-vlog nung Thanksgiving. In-enjoy ko na lang yung with family. Kasi nagpunta kami sa bahay ng lola ng asawa ko, yung namatay. So nandun kami sa kanila. Well, actually nakatira na ngayon yung kapatid ng aking mother-in-law. So siya na yung nakatira dun ngayon. So dun kami nag-spend ng Thanksgiving sa kanila. And then dun din tayo mag Christmas Eve. Kaya dun tayo magano kasi mayroon mag-game tayo with them, and I'm pretty sure kung nasaan man si Granny today, sobrang happy siya dahil we spend Thanksgiving with family. And alam mo yun, talagang ano, pati sa Christmas Eve dun din tayo. So yun, dun as in enjoy ko lang talaga yung spend time with them. Kasi hindi naman kasi kami more often talaga nagkikita. Actually pag may mga occasion lang talaga dun kami nagkikita. So yun, kaya in-enjoy ko na lang. And then birthday ko hindi rin ako nag-vlog. Dahil ako nag-vlog ng birthday ko. Dapat magda-decorate ako, mag-vlog ako nung before Thanksgiving. And then, itong si Natalia girl nyo, nilalagnat. As in, ano siya, mainit siya. So, hindi ko na tinuloy yung pag-decorate ko, yung pag-vlog ko. As in, hindi ko na tinuloy kasi talagang, ano, you know, I need to focus on her. Kasi, syempre, siya yung main focus, most important. So talagang inasikaso ko siya, talagang ano, kasi talagang init niya. And then the next day, Thanksgiving Day, ayun na, talagang lagnat na talaga, as in bonggang lagnat. So yun, nagpunta pa din kami sa Thanksgiving with family. So yun, kaya medyo ano, kaya hindi na rin ako nag-vlog nun kasi talagang super focus ako kay Natalia kasi dahil nagpapalit na yung weather ngayon dahil malamig na, and nagkaroon tayo ng first snow natin nung kailan ba yun? Bago sila mag Thanksgiving break. Yan. So ngayon nakabakasyon sila, pero sa Monday is balik na nila for school. So, next month, December, actually, ano na, bukas na, December 1 na bukas, November 30 ngayon. So, last day na ng November. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe that. Sobrang last na ng November. So, next month, maraming mga activities sa mga bata sa school. Kaya, yeah. And also, alam niyo ba guys, ay, mamaya ko na sabihin sa inyo. Mamaya ko na sabihin kapag walang nakakarinig sa akin. So, yun. But thankfully, naging okay na si Natalia, girl nyo. Nawala na yung lagnat niya, but I'm still giving her some medicine just in case lang na bumalik yung lagnat niya. Hindi ko rin alam talaga kung bakit siya nilagnat. Siguro dahil because of the weather talaga. Dahil sobrang lamig na. Especially ngayon sa labas. Oh my gosh, lumabas lang ako ganina. Yung ilong ko talagang namanhid na ng todo. As in, hindi mo talaga magalaw-galaw yung ilong mo kaganina. Parang like, wala pang 5 minutes yung labas ko kaganina. As in, talagang nilamig na yung aking ilong. As in, grabe. Kaya, sobrang talaga, ang lamig na ngayon guys, grabe. So, ayun. So, thankfully, okay na si Natalia. Thank you Lord, okay na si Natalia. Ngayong, itong vlog natin guys ngayon is for about cleaning muna tayo. Hindi pa talaga ako nakakapag-decorate dito sa kitchen. As in, sobrang disappointed ako sa sarili ko kasi before Thanksgiving, as in, naka-decorate na ako. But now, I'm so late dahil December 1 na bukas. But we're still gonna decorate this. We're still gonna enjoy our decoration and everything. So, ngayon, kasi naglalaba ako dahil may school na yung mga bata ng Monday, so they need clothes. Hindi talaga ako naglaba the whole week kasi nga bakasyon sila. But yeah, so yan. Pakita ko sa inyo guys yung mga decoration natin at mga kalat din. Do not judge me please dahil talagang makalat ang bahay namin dahil I'm just focused on my baby girl. So, talagang gusto niya na nakadikit lang ako sa kanya. Gusto niya wala akong ginagawa. So, but I'm glad na okay na siya ngayon. So, let's go. Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga, hindi pa ito lahat ng decoration ko, but, nandun lahat sila sa labas. So, yeah. So, let's go. So, yan guys. Start ko kayo dito sa table. So, ano dito yung aking mga mugs. Ayan. Yung milk ni Santa, milk for Santa. So, yan, like, 3 years ago na yan, and anong ting napapalitan ko siya. Tapos, cookie for Santa. Ayan. Yung ating centerpiece na sa table natin. And, eto guys, bago to, binili ko to. Wait lang. Hindi ko makuha ng maayos na ano. So, ito siya guys. This is a cookie jar. Yan, na Santa Claus. Tapos, tingnan nyo, may laman siya. May laman siya na kasi $20 to binili ko. Yan. So meron siyang sariling lalagyan laman sa loob kaya siya mahal. Then ito namang aray ko, makalat yung table guys ha. Tapos ito namang gingerbread. Oh my gosh, tingnan niyo ang cute niya. Oh my gosh. Like, look how cute this is. Natatakot ako kasi baka mabasag ko siya. Pero ito naman walang kasi $10 lang yan. Tignan nyo, ang cute niya, diba? Tapos, itong mugs ng mga bata. Ito. Ayan. Parang hinuhaul ko na lang din sa inyo yung mga binili kong bago ngayon. Mugs ng mga bata kasi gusto nila ng hot chocolate kapag malamig. Ayan, gusto nila yan. And then, ito, same thing lang sa Santa na yan. Binili ko din to. Tapos, ayan, may laman din siya sa loob. This is $20. And, masarap yung mga laman nito. Ang sarap niya. Ano nyo yan? Ganda-ganda. Oh, diba? Ang ganda niya. Oh. Diba? Tapos, we have candle dito. And ako nagustuhan ko tong candle na to kasi shape siya ng tree. Tingnan nyo. Hindi mo na siya pwedeng sindihan. I-decorate mo na lang. Charot. Sisindihan natin yan. Tapos, ito nakita ko lang to. Yan, binili ko to sa, ito, at saka to, and this one, sa Walmart ko to binili. And then, ay kasama to, sa Walmart yan. And then ito, At saka si Santa is sa Sam's Club. Tingnan nyo, pakinggan nyo ah. Is nativity siya guys. Oh. Diba ang ganda? Oh, ang ganda niya diba? Ayan. This is $14.98. $15. Ayan. So, ito lang yung mga bago ko guys na binili. Ayan. Tapos, yung dito naman sa tab na to guys is matagal na yan. Mga nabili ko na yan before. And dinadagdagan ko lang siya every year. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan si ate girl. Can you say hi? Say hi everybody.
Hi everybody. Many more.
Many more. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Okay na ang ate girl. Hindi yan siya ganyan before. As in, sobrang tamlay niya.
Can you tell me that for like this many?
Okay, how old are you?
4.
Yeah. Okay, let me show them the tree. So, ito yung ating tree na decorate ng mga kids. Alam, matutumba na yung ano. Ayan. Sila yung nag-decorate niya.
Angel star.
Huh?
She got my angel star.
Your angel star? Where's your angel star? Ano, ano na. Tapos ito, yun yung, ano, nag-try akong mag-vlog. Ayan. Nang-decorate. Ito yung mga nilagay ko. Yung mga ornaments namin. And we need a new ornaments for this year. Kasi ito yung last na ornament natin is this one. Ayan. So, we need a new one. Ayan. Tapos, oh, yeah. By the way, ito pala si Santa. Bago kong bili din yan si Santa. Kasi, as in, wala kaming Santa Claus. Diba? So, ayan. Nilagay mo yung mga stockings namin. And, ito for Kit Kit. Oh my gosh, you guys. Meron pala akong kwento sa inyo. So sad, as in. Yung aking Nala girl. Si Nala, guys, yung pusa namin sa labas na si Nala. 'Di ba? If you remember, nilagay namin siya sa labas. Kasi, as in, talagang nangangalmot siya. Kinakalmot niya yung mga bata. So, nilagay namin siya sa labas. And then, one time, umalis kami. Nakapasok siya dito. So, nung nakapasok siya dito, nilabas ko siya ulit. So, nung nilabas ko na siya, after nun, hindi na namin siya nakita. As in, wala na talaga si Nala, guys. Hindi namin alam kung nasaan siya. Hindi namin alam kung buhay pa siya, or patay na siya, or what, or nakain siya ng mga animals dito sa, ano. So, ang sabi ng mother-in-law ko, baka nadali siya ng ano, ng coyote. Hindi ko alam paano sa Tagalog ng coyote. So, yun. So, yung coyote na yun, guys, is the animals na talagang nangangain ng mga ibang animals. Yung ibang pusa ng mother-in-law ko dito is nawawala din. So, kaya yun ang iniisip namin na baka sinala yung nakuha niya. And ever since, simula nun, hindi na namin nakita si Nala. As in, wala na talaga siya. Normally, aalis kami, lagi siya nakabuntot sa amin, darating kami, talagang nakabuntot siya sa amin pagka dating namin. Lalabas kami, nandiyan siya sa labas. As in, ngayon guys, wala na. As in, wala na talaga si Nala. Kaya it's so sad. As in, sobrang nasasad ako kasi yung pumasok siya dito sa loob ng bahay, tapos nilabas ko siya. After nun, hindi na namin siya nakita. So, sabi ko, talagang sobrang, ano talaga ako, na sabi ko sa sarili ko nga, dapat hindi ko na siya nilabas. Dapat nga, ini-stay na lang namin. So, ay, nayok ako. Kasi baby ko yun eh. So, yun. As in, wala na talaga si Nala. Kaya, pero na kung naiyak ako. Ano ba yun? Kasi, simula ng baby siya, nandito na siya sa amin. Tapos, yung reason kaya lang naman siya nilabas is because nga kinakalmot niya yung mga bata. Kaya nilabas namin siya. So, like, she's still you know, like kahit na nasa labas siya, she's still part of our family. And binilhan ko siya ng stocking last year kasi hindi ako nakahanap ng stocking niya na yung talagang with their name. Ayan, Nala, kung nakita nyo yung kay Kit K, yun, dapat ilalagay ko din to. Pero bakit, 'di ba, hindi na ano kasi nga wala na si Nala dito. Oh my gosh. So, I'm still praying na she's somewhere out there na hindi siya dedo. Alam niyo yun, na naka ano lang siya, yung hindi niya na alam paano bumalik, yung ganun. So, I'm still praying na she's still alive. And, na-share ko lang naman sa inyo kasi I'm so sad talaga. Anyways, let's start doing laundry. Well, folding clothes pala. Dahil talagang naglalaba ako ngayon. So, let's go.
I'm sure everyone at home would love to know what you would ask for. Ask for a suit that fits, because they're gonna mess around and get a yeast infection. Alright. Hey, I'm looking for a couch to crash on. Until night shouldn't be the night I go home with anyone. I've been out walking on the rough patch now, but I must say, living on the edge of things has been kind of fun. Look, there's a bruise right here, one or a few on there. Man, did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on the show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. She wanna break some things, alright. All of the cups are out of sight. She wanna drink 'cause I can buy. You're dancing on the table, so am I. I'm not usually the one who acts out. All those crazy little things we all kinda dream about. A good thing we are running out of sunlight. It's not necessary for these guys to know all about. Look, there's a bruise right here, one or a few on there. Man, did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on the show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. She wanna break some things, alright. All of the cups are out of sight. She wanna drink 'cause I can buy. You're dancing on the table, so am I. Did you see me?
So guys, ito na lang yung aking liligpitin. So, para makapag-ready na tayo sa ating gagawin mamaya. So, sasabihin ko na sa inyo guys kung bakit kailangan ko maglinis dito sa table. Well, para na din makapag-decorate na ako tomorrow dahil December 1 na bukas. So, alam kung natatandaan nyo, 'di ba, last year, sumali-sali kami dito sa na with Elf kay Buddy. So, parating na siya dahil December 1 na bukas, 'di ba? Countdown tayo until 25 or until New Year's Eve. Or Christmas Eve pala. So, dahil December 1 na bukas, so kailangan natin mag-ready at ng kanyang arrival, o diba? Dahil December 1 na bukas, so kailangan arrival niya today. Like, magse-set up tayo tonight pala. Set up tayo tonight. Then, tomorrow morning, pag nakita na nila yung setup natin, hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung setup na gagawin natin kasi talagang sabi ko sa asawa ko, bakit ako sumali-sali sa ganito, like para tuloy akong kasi alam mo yun, marami kang iisipin na kailangan, siyempre bago ko gumawa ng kahit na in the middle of the night, kailangan to make sure na tulog sila, para hindi nila makita na ikaw lang pala yung gumagawa nun. So yun, so yeah, kaya kailangan pag-isipan muna natin kung ano yung ating gagawin sa arrival ni Buddy. Alam nyo ba, kung natatandaan ninyo last year, yung last na ni Buddy sa New Year's Christmas Eve, sinabi niya sa kanila na magdadala siya ng friend niya. O diba, natandaan nila yon. Hindi ko alam bakit ko ginawa yon. Kasi may nabili pa kasi kami isang elf. So kaya sinabi ko na magbe-bring siya ng friend, pero hindi natin muna yun isasali na natin siya in a few days. Kunyari kailangan sila ni Santa Claus, siyempre sila yung katulong ni Santa Claus, alam nyo na yun, yung ganon. Kailangan mag-excuse tayo kasi kailangan natin gumawa pa ng ibang na para props natin, hindi ko pa alam na anong gagawin natin. But so yeah, so naalala nila yun. Oh my gosh, naalala nila. Kaya I don't know why I was doing this to myself. Sabi ng asawa ko, ikaw yan dyan, ikaw yung gustong gumawa niyan, kaya ikaw magano dyan, sabi naman sa akin. So ayan, so gagamitin ang iniisip ko, kasi may nakita ako sa TikTok na yung arrival niya. So ang iniisip ko is ilalagay ko dito sa table, tapos yung iba nilang mga stop toys dun sa room nila ila-line up ko. Parang yun ang gagawin natin. So ila-line up ko sila dito kasi nga 'di ba arrival niya. So nakalagay siya sa isang, wala tayong yung papatungan niya or parang uupuan niya, parang ganon, ewan ko. Basta tapos maglalagay tayo ng note na I'm back. Yung ganon. So yeah, I don't know. We will see kung anong maisip natin mamaya. Pero syempre dahil gising pa sila, so hindi pa tayo makapag-isip talaga ng maayos. Nag-dinner na din sila. And ako hindi pa ako nagdi-dinner. Kasi tapusin ko lang tong kalat ko. Magbabacuum ako sa sala. So, for me, okay na tong sala namin. Pero medyo makalat pa rin talaga siya, guys. Kasi hindi ko pa natatanggal yung mga dito, mga box dito for Christmas decoration. So, hopefully tomorrow matanggalan natin sila. So, yeah, ito. Peekaboo! So, ayan. So, ito na lang yung hindi ko pa natutupi. And, iyahang ko yung mga uniform ng asawa ko. So, ayan sila dyan. And, yan. Ito mga yan. So, ayan. So, yan na lang. Tapos, magbabacuum na lang tayo kasi kailangan natin ng vacuum. And then, itong table. Ah! So, let's do this. Pero hindi ko na ipapakita sa inyo yung paghahang ko ng mga clothes and everything. Pero, yeah. With setup and everything, kasama ko kayo sa ating setup mamaya. So,
Doing the video.
do what?
I'm watching the video.
You want me to watch? You want to watch me while I video?
Yeah.
Silly girl. Are you feeling better now, baby?
Yeah.
Let me see. Good job naman yan. Feel better na siya, ate girl. Feel better na siya, ate girl, oh.
Ding, ding.
Kahapon, hindi yan ganyan.
My using this as well.
Yeah, sobrang sad niya. Sobrang sad niya yan kahapon. Sobrang tamlay.
Ding, ding.
Tamlay niyan kahapon eh.
Ding, 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 ding.
Asa, ako yung magbabacuum na. Hi guys. So it is 11:33 na. And the kids are already asleep. So he's back. I don't know if it's he or she. I don't know. I guess he. I don't know. So this is the same elf yung ginamit natin last year. So, he's back! So, I did like an airplane. I don't know. And then I'm gonna write I'm back, I guess. What do you think? Just put like right here, I'm back. Do I need to put any like notes or something like that? Just say I'm back. Yeah, sure. We can just throw these in the tray and be like, I'm back.
Put it on there and put Elf Air.
Elf Air?
Like Elf Airlines.
Oh yeah, like right here.
Yeah.
Well, I don't think it will work if I do it like this. Like this. How that's gonna work? How is he gonna sit down?
No, I'm saying, flip it over and have it crash into the tree. That way you don't have to be sitting on it.
Oh, okay.
You know what I'm saying?
So, put what?
Elf Air, and then I'm back.
Where are you gonna put I'm back? Popsicle stick? I don't know. Do we?
Yeah, we do. Could you put or some kind of stick to hold a sign that says I'm back? You should, you know, just like your little index card. Put on there, I'm back, and have them holding it.
Oh, okay.
You know what I'm saying?
All right. Yes, I think so. And you said you're not the creative one. He said he's not creative, guys, but he is. Okay. Okay, guys.
This is mommy's kind of mine. I do all the work.
Okay, guys. So this is what Daddy said. So we're gonna put Buddy. Well, we're gonna put him in here, or just land it right there, and then he's somewhere else. Parang ganon. And I don't know. And then Elf Express something. And then him holding na say I'm back. So yun yung ano ni Daddy. So that's what we're gonna do.
You got index card? Oh, you should get.
I'm just gonna use a paper.
Then you get tape.
Yeah, I got the tape.
Okay. Write it on there first.
Oh.
You forgot to write on top of sales. Oh, chestnut.
I can't open it.
She'll figure it out. Did you know serums are
Stop.
concentrated with powerful ingredients to visibly improve your skin? Try Olay Super.
What the?
This is a 15-second ad. Unique moisture surge only needs 3 seconds to
I knew that was gonna happen.
I'm back.
Guess who's back? Back again.
Oh no! My Hello Kitty is there.
I knew it was gonna bleed through.
Okay. So how do you want me to do this?
Say hello to the Ninja Slushie, the easy,
Oh.
convenient way to make frozen drinks at home. No ice means no watered down
Okay.
drinks.
Is that on there again?
Yeah.
Smooth, perfect texture every time.
Guess who's back?
Or slush
Back right
and enjoy.
Shady's back.
One touch program.
there. Right, friend.
Ayan, dinagdagan natin yung shop.
Favorite drink.
And then, we're gonna put
Enjoy perfect results.
Whether your phone's brand, iPad, and Apple Watch Series 10,
Elf Airline.
that's up to $2,000
Right?
in value. Only
And then him holding this,
Yes.
that means I have to tape it.
You don't have. You can't represent it right.
Like, I can't. You gotta tape
It's
it.
not, but have him sitting in the tree.
Not all toothpaste whiten the same.
Yeah, like this.
Yeah, and have him sitting in the tree.
Whiter smile. New
Because you can use it to help have the tree to help hold him. Yeah.
I'm back! So that means we need to tape it then.
Then tape it.
works even harder. come up tonight? Can't you come up tonight? Can't you come up tonight? Buffalo girl, can't you come up tonight? More to that. You should have seen the commotion in that locker room. I had to knock out 3 people to get this stuff we're wearing here.
I'm back. Just like that. Like a witch now.
You look wonderful. You know, if it wasn't me talking, I'd say you
So
were the
we're gonna put it
prettiest
like
girl
this. Crush.
I have you younger. You look,
So like this.
Yeah.
Sir, my train, please.
A pox upon me for a clumsy like you're a caboose.
Should we put it in the...
I put it down a little bit.
You may kiss my hand.
Like right here.
Yeah.
Hey, Mary.
As I was
And then what?
down the street, down the street, down the
Right here?
I put it on the branch above.
Right here?
Yeah, right there.
I'm not that old,
No,
Hal.
you see, you make a wish and then try and break some glass in. You got to be a pretty good shot nowadays, too.
Oh, no, George, don't. It's full of romance, that old place. I'd like to live in it.
In that place? I wouldn't live in as a ghost. Now watch, it's right in the 2nd floor there, see?
What'd you wish, George?
Well, not just one wish, a whole hatful. Mary, I know what I'm going to do tomorrow and the next day and next year and the year after that. I'm shaking the dust of this crummy little town off my... What do you want?
So, ayan na siya.
Just say the word and
Yeah.
I'll throw a lasso around it and pull it down.
Yeah.
Hey, that's a pretty good idea.
Oh.
I'll give you the moon, Mary.
Ayan na. Buddy is
But then you
back.
could swallow it. And it all dissolves.
So guys, that's it for today's vlog. So tomorrow is December 1st na. Oh my God, Pasko na. So ayan ang ating buddy. Ayan. So ayan, end ko na ang vlog guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hindi ko naligpit yung table. Hindi ako nakapag-vacuum dahil maingay at tulog na yung mga bagets. So bukas na natin mag-vacuum. So good night. Thank you guys for watching. Good night.